Hello, good afternoon everybody. Ayan na naman and welcome back to my page. My name is Jed at yes, fellow hustlers, ito na ang inaantay nyo, another important question sasagutin natin for today. At ang topic natin is, I don't have Facebook. Can others still work for me? Okay. Very good question yan. Well, definitely yes. Pero siguro meron ka rin namang either IG, YouTube, TikTok. You can use any or all of that. Depende na lang sa'yo, whichever you are comfortable working with. So, huwag ka rin mag-worry if you don't have not even a single one of it. Kasi, yung training namin, the system, our proven system, kaya nga pinapride namin ang proven system namin because it has video-based comprehensive training kung saan lahat ng how-tos nandoon. I personally, when I started, I don't have Facebook page. Pero when I joined the business, ayun na, every step, every phase na gagawin is nandoon, video-based siya. So anytime you can go back and forth. Halimbawang hindi mo pa natapos, okay, go ahead, sige. You can always, go back and check kung saan ka, kung kailan ka available na or kailan mo na siya magagawa. So, ganun ka effective and convenient yung system natin. And it was created kasi nga, it was created that way kasi nga marami sa atin ang non-techie, 'di ba? We're not tech savvy, marami. Even I can't say na tech savvy talaga kasi nito na lang naman talaga ako natututo 'di ba? Now, nung mga if ko compare mo kasi with many other social media platforms, my personal favorite is Facebook. Bakit? Kasi it has surpassed 1 billion users. Talaga, that is the first social network. Tapos ngayon, currently it sits at the more than 3 billion monthly active users. So, Facebook is effective. Kasi lahat talaga, mostly, Facebook ang ginagamit. So, yun na, that is my personal favorite. Kaya naman, I really encourage you to take your options kasi apart from that, meron pa rin kaming ibang option. Let's say for mga shy people or mga introverts, meron siya. You will be surprised when you get to know this. Kaya yun, check out my business page and sign up to my website para mas malaman nyo ang mga bagay-bagay. Okay? I'll see you guys on my next one. Thank you and God bless.